Oh, I'm filming you, cock.
Oh, you fucking wanker. Don't film this.
Pressure of the camera. This is Danny's worst tee off. He's done several good ones so far. Keep your arms straight, mate. Hold the club further up and like one hand on top of the other. Yeah, like that. Keep your arms straight, mate. Arms straight.
It's Ali.
Doesn't matter who the fuck it is. Mama!
Arms straight, mate. Keep your arms straight.
Don't stand up.
Arms straight. Arms straight.
Get closer.
I've been filming for a minute and a half.
When you hit this, Dan, I want it to be on the green.
It's gonna be a big one.
Oh, Dan, come on. Just try and hit it straight.
What, had it there?
Don't try and hit it so hard. Basically, Dan.